cover here today. Here comes the Bonanza Club in sequence. If you look carefully at the tails of these aircraft, you can see the lead one has a conventional tail and rudder. And then we've got 4 with the V-tail Bonanzas. Nice tight inline formation. Airplanes flying around here, a lot of them on the ground, of course. The ones on the ground are all fueled. They did fly in here, so as a result, we ask please no smoking in the display area for your own protection, because fuel is a very volatile object. This is the break to land, a classic military maneuver where they come in formation and then they all break apart here. That gives us built-in separation between aircraft, propellers or jets or rotors or what have you. And in order to control this particular aircraft, any particular aircraft in the sky, which is basically a fluid much like water, you have to be able to change the control surfaces. Typical configuration has the main wing there in the center of there. It's either a high wing aircraft. On the back side is a vertical wing that's called the stabilizer, and that holds the elevator of the vertical stabilizer and the rudder. But typically most airplanes have that big tail fin that's much like the rudder on a boat. And this elevator controls the pitch axis.